Hello, and welcome back. In this video, we're looking at the tool library, the system that lets you package scripts once and reuse them anywhere. We'll cover how tools are created, how versioning works, how parameters are generated automatically, and how NORA keeps everything portable. The tool library lets you package a script once and reuse it across workflows. When you turn a node into a tool, NORA captures its command, rewrites absolute paths to relative ones, copies the script into the package, and bundles any config file while updating its references. Each version is a small folder with 2 JSON files, and the Open Folder button takes you directly to it. The template.json is a ready-made canvas node, so you can insert the tool without filling anything in. The tool.json stores the command, working directory, and parameter definitions. Parameter definitions come from the config file. NORA reads each setting and records its name, default value, and inferred type. Text becomes a string, numbers become numbers, and true or false becomes a Boolean. Define them once and they travel with the tool. Tools live at .NORA/tools, support multiple versions side by side, and stay portable because all paths are relative. Copy a folder to another machine and it works. When you're done, you can delete a single version or the entire tool after a quick confirmation. Check the description for the NORA download link. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.